So I'm here at SVS at National Harbor in 2019, and the new CTEC Active Control got FDA approval just 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it was launched in US, and Europe has access to this device since 2 years. So I'm here to present and to share my experience with this new device with the US physicians. I would recommend those physicians who have access for the first time and to have the opportunity to use this device to really stay with the instruction for use, because the CTEC Active Control is based on the former current CTEC being available for many years now. So all the instruction for use, the oversizing, the sizing charts, and all the device selections are the same. I would recommend really to learn the new device deployment sequence, which is really different. We have a very intuitive step-by-step deployment system which deploys the stent graft to 50% as an intermediate stage and a full deployment to 100% in a following step. In between, you have the possibility to angulate in order to really optimize the position of the stent graft, especially in the arch. This device is really made for the arch. It's very conformable, flexible, and on top of that you now have the time to place the device in the right intended landing zone due to this new deployment sequence. This device became my favorite and my first choice because 2 achievements really need to be highlighted. One is the staged deployment sequence, and the second is the optional angulation control, especially for the arch. I think the biggest achievement with this device, on top of all the other advantages I appreciated in the past, is the staged deployment sequence, because it gives you more opportunities. It really gives you time for precise positioning and placement. It's an excellent device for teaching because of that. This device comes with a nested handle system which allows you really to go step by step through the deployment. So this is very intuitive even for young surgeons doing and using this device for the first time. The use or the access to this new device changed my daily practice dramatically. We now increased our percutaneous access rate because the device comes with a reduced profile by 2 French. We abandoned rapid pacing because due to the intermediate and stage deployment sequence I mentioned already, there are no influence and impacts of hemodynamic forces in the arch. So you have time and you don't have to manipulate on blood pressure and cardiac output. We normally in zone 0 to 2 used as a standard rapid pacing. We abandoned it totally, so it's saving time, it's reducing the risk for the patient. We found out that this device is ideal for a new zone of the thoracic aorta, which is zone 4, the distal landing zone, which is sometimes very difficult to seal. With this device you can really seal very accurately at the celiac trunk level because it's fixed on a lock wire, and it has this second stage deployment sequence from first proximal to distal and then distal to proximal. So full control during the whole procedure, which allows you to treat challenging distal landing zones or even repairs of type 1B endoleaks, for example. Looking at our 2-year experience and results of 1 year of follow-up, we really are very convinced, showing a high technical success rate of 100%, 99% conformability. There was no single type 1 endoleak in 82 patients. So this really, I think, is a improvement and a good statement that this system works very well and seals in very challenging anatomies. The clinical results always need to be discussed in context of the clinical situation. So many patients are very sick, There are a lot of emergencies, so we have, of course, a severe complication rate of 18%, but this is not device related, this is pathology and procedure related. We increased our percutaneous approach by 50%. Many of our patients need more than one device because the disease is extended. So this device is excellent when you need more than one device because you have one access, and once you have one access you can deploy and insert multiple devices very easily and very fast, which is, I think, a benefit for the patient.